I am back with another Dollar Tree parenting hack. If you are having issues with your kids with any of these problems, this $1.25 hack is going to save your summer. I am going to give you 10 ways to solve all of these problems with your kids using a roll of painter's tape. Let's get started.
Okay, now we can make something.
First up, screen time. You get it, parents. It is a love-hate relationship. We love it because it keeps them busy, and we hate it because then when it's time to put it away, it usually will result in a tantrum or some kind of protest. My kids are really into Roblox, so you can take any game and then give them the painter's roles and just let them create it in real life. Here's my daughter creating rainbow friends in real life, a really popular game on Roblox. And then here she is creating an obby in her living room. I think my son enjoyed this the most. Separation anxiety. If you have young children, trying to even go to the bathroom alone can be a challenge. So set up some balls or some animals or cars and trap them underneath some pieces of this tape, and they will have a blast rescuing them. Picky eaters. Grab some of those snacks that you've been trying to get your kids to eat, put them inside of those Easter eggs that I know you have lying around because you're a parent, and then you stick them to the bottom of the painter's tape. What an attractive way and fun way to eat a healthy snack. Chores. Sweeping into a box is suddenly not a chore. My son also had a blast. Isn't quite as accurate as my daughter when getting it into the box. I think I might leave this one permanently on the floor. Sibling rivalry. They fight after they've been together a lot. So setting up two different painting spaces outside, if you have two different windows with the painter's tape, they could make a beautiful mural. So you can see my son having some fun outside, and then you just grab the hose and hose it down afterwards. Also, if you let it dry and then you peel it off, it kind of looks like stained glass. So have fun with that one. Next up is tantrums or aggression, and they need to get out some energy and throw. You could make a spider web. For me, I just put lines in between two chairs and they were throwing some pom-pom balls at it. So it was getting out some energy for a rainy day. You could also set up an airplane landing strip. My daughter watched a YouTube video on how to make a paper airplane. I'm not so great at making paper airplanes, so it's a good thing she watched. I don't really even go that far when I throw it. You can also set up some painter's tape by the door where your kids wait before you leave the house, or even painter's tape blocking them from certain areas. Let's say you're cooking and you don't want them to come in. Their little feet can get close, but they can't pass the tape. If you love these hacks for a fun way to solve problems in your home, you're probably going to like this video where I talk about the weirdest way to discipline. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Is it on you? Turn around. Let me see. What in the world?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that. How special is that?
You will get good luck. I don't know why, but you should get good luck for that.
Wants to come into the Dollar Tree.